Today is Tech Tip Tuesday. Hello, Alan from Decker's Pondscapes here, and it is another Tech Tip Tuesday. And right now it's in August, and we got a phone call about a pond not running. And this time of year, a lot of the sediments and stuff might build up. You're feeding your fish a lot. You got plant debris starting to kind of die off. So we're gonna go and check out and see exactly what's going on with this pond, and you can follow along. This is one of the older Aquascape skimmers 1000, and it's got a debris net and some brushes in there. So while I'm here, I'm gonna clean those out. If you have a skimmer that has a filter in it, pull that out, wash it all off, because that could be part of the problem. Also, the flow might not get in. We don't usually wash our biofalls filters because that's where our beneficial bacteria is, because our season is short in the Northeast. So here, definitely clean out all the components in there. And as I'm looking down in there, I can see that the pump is plugged. So let's get that pump out and clean it off. All right, I almost forgot to unplug the pump, and that would have been ugly because I would have got soaked. So make sure you unplug the pump first. Even though we do this every day, sometimes I get in a hurry and I forget to do that. Yep, just as I expected, super plugged. So what we're gonna do is wash this off, then we're gonna pop this screen off and check the propeller while we have it out. Really, if it's a filter or brushes or anything, just rinse it off until the water runs clear. Then you know that you have a really good clean filter, brushes, and debris net. It always helps to have a screwdriver handy. That way it's just easier to pop off and you're not beating it off. This is actually an Aquasurge pump, and this Aquasurge 3000 has another debris area inside that just kind of unscrews. So I want to just unscrew that, inspect the impeller. Don't stick your fingers in there even though it's unplugged, just to make sure it's free of debris. I'm going to wash these off a little bit more, then we're going to reinstall it. Line that back up, and there you go. Now we've got a clean pump, so what I'm going to do is put that back in. This particular one actually just has a union on it because this is one of the older ponds, and it doesn't have a check valve because these smaller kits, these small 8x10 kits, didn't come with a check valve. They just come with this union, which is fine. It's just that when we shut it off, all our biofalls water will backfeed into that. It'll cloud up your pond a little bit, but that's what your filter's for. It'll filter back out. And then what I would do in another day, just double check it and make sure that everything is super clean. All right, let me plug this back in. Another pond diagnosed, back up and running, and watch every Tuesday for Tech Tip Tuesday. This is Alan from Decker's Pondscapes.